Hey guys, it's Risa. No, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm at work right now. And I'm holding my phone because I don't have my usual phone holder. So hopefully it comes out clear. Today I'm excited because I'm going to teach you how to make, with these Crepini egg thins, a savory, delicious lunch option, okay? And I get them at Costco. In the refrigerator section, okay? Because they have to stay cold once you open them. I mean, even before you open them, they need to stay in the fridge. And they're versatile because I made something sweet with them, or you can make something savory with them. So they're really great. Some people think, oh, they're expensive. I think you get a double package for $8.99. In my opinion, when you're on a health journey, you're worth it, okay? And remember, when you used to go for burgers and fries and pizza and anything else, you've probably spent a lot more on one meal, right? And this way you can have several of them for several meals. Before I tell you how to make this delicious lunch, brunch, dinner option, just reminding you guys to ring the bell so that YouTube will notify you when a new video, not an old video, is available of mine. And I don't want you to miss any. Remember, all my recipes are written under each video, yes, with ingredients and directions so that you can do a screenshot. So, also, I hope you've subscribed. Make sure you press the like button, comment, ask me questions. I like your questions. And share with anybody who's on a health journey. It doesn't matter if they're not on WW Wellness That Works. They can be on any health journey to enjoy my desserts, my podcasts, my meals, my casseroles, my breakfast, lunch, dinner, shopping hauls, you name it. Lots of things to pay forward to people who are on their journey and need extra help, okay? So, as I mentioned, we are going to have these delicious egg thins, okay? What's amazing, for 3 of them, it's 0 smart points. But for 10 of them, it's only 1 smart point. I know, it's amazing. And let's see, it doesn't, for 1 crepe is one protein, amount of protein, and low in sodium. You need to check your nutritional information so that you get an accurate count of what you're eating. Now, I like to double them up because they are super thin. I'm going to just show you guys. They are super, super thin like this. Now, I've put them on a skillet if you want to warm them up, to toast them a little bit, or you can just eat them like this. And I absolutely love them. They don't have a lot of flavor, so you need to add stuff to them. And what am I going to do? I'm going to add one of my favorite mustards, sweet with heat, okay? It's President's Choice, but you can use any dressing, and I'm going to do one with ranch dressing because, you've got to shake things up, my friends. When you do that, then you're going to enjoy what you're eating, right? The other thing today that I'm using are these chicken strips that I buy at Walmart. You can buy anything. You can have leftover barbecue chicken, shredded chicken, turkey meat, whatever you want as your protein to put in your crepinis. Now, you can see that half my plate, and I always tell you guys, is vegetables. So I have my broccoli salad, which you can check on my channel, right? And somebody brought in actually this delicious spinach salad. Oh my God, I don't know what they put in it, but it tastes like pesto and feta cheese, and I think there's some craisins and some walnuts. Oh my God, I wish you were here to try it with me because it is super yummy. I'm gonna have to find out the recipe and tell you guys about it. All right, so for the first one, and I just wanna show you that when you make a lot, like look at this humongous container. Now today is Wednesday, depending when you're watching this, and I've had my broccoli salad now for 3 days. Sure, some people say, ugh, I can't eat everything the same day over and over, but when you have everything ready, then you're prepared, you're focused, you stay on track, okay? All right, so I'm gonna take my mustard, and this is not easy doing this with one hand. I hope you appreciate this. All right, so we're gonna put some mustard down. All right, so just a bit. And why I like mustard and flavored mustards is it's low in points or 0 points. And, oh, my principal came in, but I don't think she's going to. Do you want to be on my YouTube channel? Say hi. This is Annie. That's Annie. So Annie's here, and I'm teaching. Yeah. Who knows who else could show up in here? I don't know. So we're going to put some chicken meat on the crepini. And we're going to roll it, okay? So just put it right in the middle, okay? Right in the middle. And then you're just going to roll it up into like this, okay? Whatever you want to call it, all right? So that's one. And because, like some people, you could add some shredded lettuce to it if you want. But, you know, they are very thin. So I've doubled it up with 2, okay? So it's a little bit easier. You want to do 1, you can do 1. And the other one I'm going to have is some ranch dressing, okay? Just a little bit, and then you don't have to count it. All right. You never know who's going to walk in and be in my videos, right? Sometimes when I go live and I'm outside at Starbucks, lots of people are going, who is she talking to? Why is she talking to a video or to a camera for that matter? So I'm just going to put some more chicken meat. So depending on what program you're on, if you're on WW Blue and Purple, then this is going to be 0 smart points. Well, if I doubled it up, it'll be 1 smart point. And if you're on green, you have to count the meat. So it really varies with the amount of meat that you're going to eat. So we're just going to roll this one up. Again, put it right in the middle, and you have these cute little rolls. All right. And the other thing that I have is some fruit. A good, well-balanced meal will keep you fuller for a long period of time, and you won't veer. All right. So that's it. I hope you love these creminis. Get them at Costco. I don't even work for Costco, but, you know, I have to share and let you know what I do. So hopefully you guys will experience and do the same. All right. I love you guys. Take care. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, because sharing is caring. Take care. Remember, this is good for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack after a workout. All right. Mwah. Bye for now.